Hey everyone, Delphi Group here with the weekly trading report for this week. And, again, another green week for us here. We have yet to have a losing week this year, and frankly, in some time. So we're in our Discord here. You can see we are in the week in review channel where we post all our weekly trades, our performance, and all that stuff. So we have here in this part our trades off the Delphi Signal. Okay, the Delphi Signal again is an amazing trading tool that we developed, back tested, proven, and in use now for some time, and continues to just deliver winner after winner. Okay, so this week we had one trade that we did 6.25% on. Again, this is going off of a $10,000 starter account. So we had one trade on that, which was WDC. So you can see here we had a trade on WDC. These were calls, did almost 66% on this trade. So that was a nice trade. It was a fairly quick trade. I think we were in and out in one day. But what happened here, and this is very powerful when this does happen. So when we get a buy or sell signal off the Delphi signal, and at the same time or same day, we see UOA come in. I remember UOA is unusual option activity. You can see here on this day on the 11th that as we were looking at the buy signal on WDC, someone came in and bought 5,000 of these April 47.5 calls at 88 cents. Okay. So this gave more confidence to our trade on WDC, which we posted here in the Delphi Signal Trade Ideas channel. Okay. So you can see the trade was posted here like we always do. Delphi buy signal and WDC. The price at the time was 41.20. Our targets were 43.25 to 44. We scaled in at $1.90, and our first target was hit, and then the final exit target was hit, and we exited the trade at 3.15. Okay. And you can see here we update the trades as they go. Giving updates to the community where the trade is, the calls in this instance, which we're starting to take calls, looking for markets to go higher, which I'll get into. But again, this was a great trade in and out in one day or less, actually. And we booked that winner on WDC, which matched the UOA, right? So if we go back to see what we did for the entire week trading wise, again, continuing to crush it here, did over 65% for the week. Again, this is going off of a 10,000K starter account. So that means, did over 6,500 for the week. Now, what was amazing about this week, and this is very important, and this is what we do here and why we're so successful, okay? You're going to have losing trades. It's going to happen. Any platform, anybody marketing themselves saying they do 90, 95%, 100% win rate, they're fooling you. So you need to stay away from those platforms. So you can see here for the week, our actual trade win percentage was not great at all. Okay, we had 8 winners and 10 losers. Now, a lot of these losers were index plays that we took. Some were 0 DTEs, looking to capture the market bounce or hedges that we took. But still, regardless, there were trades we took. So again, not a great week percentage-wise trading, but we still made 65%. And you're going to ask, how do we do that? Well, this is how we do it, okay? Our winners are always way higher than our losers with our trading strategy that we have. Okay. So Our losers, again, you can see here, we're down 33%. Our winners, we're almost averaging 100%. Now, we had some pretty big winners on MicroStrategy and some index calls, and puts actually. But again, this is what we do here at Delphi. Nobody's doing this. Even in a not so great trade performance week, we still make money. Okay. Now, this doesn't happen all the time. We're going to have red weeks, but this is what we do here. This is our strategy and our plan. This is how we stay successful over long periods of time. Our winners are larger than our losers, and they're more frequent. Okay, so this was very important to show you guys what we do here. Now, just as an example, looking at the trades, okay, you can see we had losers. Again, a lot of these were some index. Apple didn't participate, but what I'm going to show you guys, look, okay, 66% loser. Now, that's actually pretty high for us normally. We normally don't go over 50%, but sometimes the markets gap up or down and you don't get the exact stop that you want to get out. So this happens, but again, 66% loser, 25% loser, 14%, 28%. Okay, so we can see there we had 4 losers, but how many winners did we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at the winners, 104%. Okay, 44%, 66% that we showed you on WDC. Okay, 67%, and 230% on MicroStrategy. Okay, we actually had another trade that did similar on MicroStrategy that you can see right here, 233% on MicroStrategy. So again, this is very important for any kind of trading that you're doing. Okay, you want to keep the losers less than the winners. Okay, and the winners, you want to be making more on those winners. Okay, so this week is actually a great example. Yes, not happy about the win percentage, but all we're here to do is make money. Okay, we don't care what the win percentage is if we're making money. So again, this is very important to point out. And again, if we go to our section Classroom 101, all our educational videos are in here, including our Delphi trading strategy, which I was just talking about. Okay, so again, very important what we're doing here. Incredible stuff with everything, really. And, I need to talk about Leviathan because he's doing stuff in here that is just incredible. Okay, he's our day trader, crypto trader. And we don't talk a lot about him. We should, because again, his week was just incredible. Okay, you can see here he posts the trades first, and then he takes the trade. Then he posts his actual trading account that he is taking the trades he's posting. So we can see here what he's been doing here in the day trade room. Okay, 19.5, 24% winner, right? So he had some really good day trades, but that's not only that. I mean, if we go to what he's doing in our cryptos lever futures trading, I mean, there's no words for what he's been doing here. Okay, we can see again, he posts his trades. Okay, 12%, 22%, 29%, 41, 65, 87, 174%. Look at that, right? Complete rocket ship on this trade he had on Bitcoin. So, it didn't stop there. 23%, 29, 41. I mean, the beat goes on and on, 74%. Okay, rocket ship again. So he's just doing amazing things there. And yes, there's a loser. He has losers. I mean, again, nobody's perfect, but we can see his winners are far outnumbering the losers and huge wins, right? So there's another loser. So again, shout out to him. He's been doing amazing here. People are crushing it off his trades, day trades, crypto trades. And again, we're not only about trades, right? So if we look at, we mentioned earlier why we're leaning to, calls or bullish trades right now. If we look at our charts now, Again, nobody's doing what we're doing here. Okay. This channel is very important to the community. We're constantly, doing a technical analysis on indexes, on stocks. But if you look here, okay, first of all, we have our cycle line. Okay, this is an amazing tool. We notified people back in February here in the community that when we're looking for a market reversal here on the cycle line, well, you know, you can see what happened on this chart alone here that I'm going to talk about. But look at that, right? On the cycle line, it's been a complete market crash. Okay, so we nailed that call, we nailed our targets. And what I want to show here on here is that we posted this chart and we mentioned that we were looking for a cycle bottom. Okay, now we were going off of the cycle bottom here, which we highlighted, and we actually pointed to it hitting yesterday and the day before, like these last 2 days. This was matching where we were right now in the cycle, which was about 14 days. So we said, hey, wouldn't it be something if the chart, bounces here? So again, what happened yesterday now? I'm recording this video on Saturday, but on Friday, what happened, if I look down to the indexes, and look what we mentioned here, will be something if we nailed that cycle bottom call a few days ago. Okay. And look what happened yesterday, Friday in the markets. Okay. Markets pumped. We got a huge bounce in the SPY and all the markets in general. But if this ends up happening, this is going to be an amazing calling the bottom here. Again, nobody's doing that. And this is why, we took WDC call trade that we did well on. We have another call trade open right now off the Delphi Signal that we took yesterday. That's already up. I believe it's almost up 40% already in one day and already working really well. So this is what we do here. Again, nobody's doing this anywhere. Nobody's doing this anywhere, and we continue to do what we're doing. We continue to crush it here at Delphi. So again, another great week for the community, and we will keep you guys updated on how we're doing, and hopefully you have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.